Hey, welcome back. I've got an oil leak and I've known about it for a while now. I suspect the front seal and hopefully not the rear main seal. But anyway, in order to get to the front seal, I have to remove this panel right here. And there's supposed to be 4 bolts and 10 retaining pins, clips, whatever. Anyway, I can see a bolt there, and one there's 3, and a bunch of retaining clips. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off, and then I'm going to go ahead and probably remove this plastic panel right here. Then I'll be able to get to the front damper pulley, and I can go ahead and check the drive belt and see if the seal's leaking. Okay, here's what small clips look like, and they can give you a fair amount of trouble taking them out, even with tools such as these. This is a longer clip, and it was up in the center here at the top, and I've got one right here that really giving me trouble. I'm going to continue trying to take it out, but as you can see, it's bending the light metal behind it, so I think what I'm going to do is just cut it off. This outer fender has insulation behind it, and it goes in front on this, and then as you go up it goes behind the fender, and then it comes back out in front again. Well, I found the other 2 screws. There's one right here. This is under the front bumper almost, and excuse me, 1 screw, and there's 2 more clips, and then I should have it free. Just a note, if you need to get to your marker lights on the side here or your fog lights, just by removing this bottom piece, the connectors to it, you can get up in there. Okay, here's an idea of where the connectors go. This was actually a screw here. Then there's connectors down there, one up there, all the way around over here, here I believe was a screw. I believe the screw is here. Connectors in there. I might be wrong on where the screw locations are, but you can see anywhere there's a hole, there generally was either a clip, push pin type clip, or a screw. The next cover I need to take off involves removing a pin up in there, one here. There might be something else up in there. I can't see it right now. This tool seems to work pretty well for removing these if you can just slide the part of it underneath. Okay, like that. And then the center part pulls out like that. Then they should be able to remove the whole pin. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, I gotta go back up there and get this guy right here. Okay, this splash cover here has a push connector on the bottom side towards the front, and it also has a push connector. It also has a push connector back up in there by the fog light, and I'm not going to fight that right now. I am going to just push this out of my way when I go to work on this right here. And as you can see, that belt has seen a whole bunch better days, so I'm going to need one of those. It does look like it's leaking here, but I'm going to put some leak detector in it and check it later. But for right now, that's where I'm at. This is how you remove the front fender cover, and I'll be taking the drive belt off a little bit later. I have another video where I do remove this belt on another HHR, where I improvise using tools I had at hand. So until the next video, this is Steve AZ711 saying appreciate you all subscribing and watching, and bye for now.